What's going on, guys? So I got the Honda CRF right here stripped. Usually when I have this stripped, I don't got the fairing up on the top. I forget what it's called. If you know what that is, comment down below. This plastic right here, that's off for the first time. I didn't really know the mechanism, how to take it off and all that, and I was just confused, so I got that off. I got everything off. I just cleaned it all. I'll take a quick skim over of that all, and yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning it. My chain guard right here, the piece that goes down here, is up there. I painted this in one of my videos. I don't know if I posted that, but painted that all up. Goes right here, and of course I lost the bolts for that. And yeah, so let's get a skim over everything I cleaned, and I'm probably gonna end up someday getting some new plastics.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care.